Hi folks, I'm just going to quickly take you around this 2014 Citroen Dispatch fridge fan that we've just taken in. Hopefully through the video see it's in fantastic condition. This fan's covered 146,000 miles from new, supplied with a fresh service, and as you can see it's been very well looked after. It's in a stunning colour, this one. The van's fitted with a GAH fridge unit. It's all been tested and is working as it should. Very tidy in here. Currently got this shelf in the rear load space, but that can easily be removed if required. It's also a twin side loading door model, which does make things a lot easier for loading up. All operating as it should. For any more details, please get in touch on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again.